Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to go through the process of installing the new testing software that we're going to be using this year for all of our tests going forward. So to begin, you want to go down into the type here to search bar, and you're simply going to type software, and you can see it already starts to come up. So you're going to click on Software Center, and it may take it just a minute to load. And it should populate with some different available software that your computer has. And this one here, the Texas Secure Browser, is the one that you're going to want to install on your computer. So you'll just double click that and you're going to click Install. It should go through the process of installing it on your computer. There should be little to no more clicks or anything else involved. It may ask you if you really want to install this software, but that should be about it. This is the software that's going to be replacing the old State of Texas assessment software, the one that would be called the STAR software on your computer. And mine looked like it stopped in the middle. There it goes. It did not stop, so yours may do the same thing. Once its download is complete, it should install. So you did notice that mine looked like it gave me the install option again, but then it went ahead and installed. So you do not need to click the install button again. It should go ahead and do that for you. It downloads it, it installs it, and you should be good to go. If there are any questions, please feel free to email me or call me. My extension is 05146. Thank you, and you can just close out of this when you're done.